Today, I'm going to show you the new Rebrandly and HubSpot integration. This integration allows you to seamlessly create branded short URLs for any of the pages, assets, or files that you store in HubSpot, and to generate short URLs with your own branded domain and publish those in your HubSpot social media campaigns, and keeping the integrity of your brand and allowing you to capture much more data about what your audience is doing and how they're engaging with your content. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install the integration. Head over to rebrandly.com and then either create an account or log into your existing account. Once you're logged in, click on My Dashboard, which is where you'll find the list of links that you've created. We're going to create a new link with a long URL that we want to shorten and then share in our social media campaigns. So here's an article that we'd like to share. And with Rebrandly, you also get the added benefit of our new AI tool. Rebrandly AI helps you identify the optimal time to share your URL to get the greatest click-through rate. So I really want to make sure I publish this at the right time so people engage with my content. I'm going to see what the Rebrandly Boost AI tool tells me to do. And here it says that if I publish this link at 6 p.m. tomorrow, my click-through rate will be 30% higher than if I schedule it right now, if I publish it right now, which is what I was going to do. So getting that additional 30% is really valuable to me. I'm going to schedule it with HubSpot. And now I can pick which social account I'm going to share that with. I can add an image, which I'm going to do now. And I can customize the copy. And then I can go ahead and schedule it for tomorrow. What's really cool about this integration is that you can then go over to your HubSpot account and you'll see in the social media module that, look, there's my new social post, the one that we just created. And you can see I've got my branded short link. So HubSpot will not overwrite that link with their own generic short link. This integration allows you to maintain your branded short link and also get the benefit of tracking all of your campaigns in HubSpot and get the additional data and insights that you gain from having your links tracked in Rebrandly. So I hope you have a great time learning how to use this new integration. If you have any questions, please reach out to marketing@rebrandly.com and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.